Hey YouTube, back to talk about tech some more. So the topic for today is LED projectors. For anyone living downtown or in a crowded metropolitan area in a small apartment or condo, you'll know the struggles of trying to have your different spaces within your living space. That was a weird jumble of words that didn't make a whole lot of sense, but you know what I mean. So I personally do not own a TV. If I'm gonna watch a movie or stream a show, I'll either just play it on my laptop or on my external monitor. A few of my friends are in the same boat where they also do not own a TV. But a solution that's been pretty popular recently is having an LED projector. So recently I was gifted this LED projector, which claims to be the most cost-efficient high-resolution LED projector. It supports a number of different files, from audio to picture, video, text, and claims to be able to play HD. Alright, let's unbox it, see how it performs, and check it out. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing portion of this video. Personally, while I do think that it's cool to have an LED projector, for me it's a bit of an extra hassle to have to hook everything up, connect it, and then broadcast it onto a wall. So personally, I think my go-to will continue to be just watching it on my laptop screen. Let me know about your experiences with LED projectors, or if you found another workaround for not having a television in a small space. See you all next time.